Hey guys, let's go squishy hunting at the biggest mall in the world. I just hit the jackpot. Like, this is insane. So I got this. I already have this. This is the cheese, the big cheese. And this is the butter. Wait, is this? I don't know if this is foam. Oh wait, this is insane. And there's the jumbo. These are insane. You know what, y'all? I'm gonna get one. And I think these are real. Hold on, let me check if this is RMS. Wait guys, they have the advent calendar too. This is actually insane. They have the nice part. This is the Minecraft needle. And there's have the birds and the goofy needles, and they have the jelly hops, have the nice cubes and the glitters. This dumpling says RMS. So I got a mini dumpling and a needle. Bag secured. I found these and they're like really cheap and underwear, so I'm getting them. Manitos. Let's put them in. This was a success.